Hi everyone, I have lot of Christmas decorations. There are balloons and many more. You see? Follow me. See, I made this of school. Do you like my Christmas tree? My favorite is my star. Which one is your favorite? By the way, this is my sister, Grace. Hello. Now let's blow the balloons. First, I push it here. Let's pump it.
You done?
Yes.
Good job.
This is a bear.
Oh.
I like this bear.
What's there?
Look at this is Santa and the reindeer.
Oh, yes. Very nice. And so cute. Okay, now let's continue with the others.
Okay, now for my sister.
Okay. Wow, is that Christmas gift?
It's my turn. It's a candy cane.
Wow.
Hold on. Now this is the biggest one. Santa and the reindeer.
Wow, very big. Is it bigger than you?
Yes. Now this is done.
Wow, so big.
It's a big balloon. Now this is Olaf. This is Roman.
Is it all done?
Yes.
So cute.
Look at this.
Is that a carrot nose?
Yes.
So cute.
With the snow.
Oh yes, snowflakes.
Olaf, we cannot wear some hat, but why this is wear hat and scarf?
Oh, his hat and scarves. Yes.
Oh, people put it on the snowman.
Yes. Is it going to melt?
Yes.
Okay. Next.
For the
What is it?
Santa.
Wow. This is the mini Santa.
Yes.
The previous one is bigger.
This one is big. This one is small.
Yes. Okay. Let's
Do
start.
you know this small one?
Mm-hmm.
Which one is small one? This, or this?
Oh,
You
okay.
know it?
Which
I
one?
know it.
Which one is the smallest one?
Oh, easy, easy.
Oh, okay. The gift.
And
Yes.
the snowman.
Okay. Okay. Now let's pump the Santa. Wow. Nice. Is it done?
Yes. Do you know tomorrow is what?
What is it?
Tuesday.
Wednesday. Okay.
And today is
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Yes. Okay. Now, so what are we going to do now? Maybe arranging the Merry Christmas banner.
Yes.
Yes. Wow. Are you making the hole, Mimi?
Yes. Let's got it here.
Good job.
It's Christmas.
Wow.
I got this one too. Merry Christmas. Now cutting the tape. Wow, it's done!